What's up guys? Richelago Vlogs. For today's vlog po ay kakalikutin natin yung kotse natin. Because last time yung vlog po natin is iba po ipapa-check natin sa inspection tong ating sasakyan. But it's sad to say bumagsak siya. Kasi before akong pumunta dun sa inspection, umilaw yung check engine. So, dinala ko pa rin siya doon. Baka mamaya nag-malfunction lang yung ilaw. So, ayun po, bumagsak siya. Umilaw yung check engine. So, lumabas na too much gases. Something like that. Smoke. And nung tinest ko po ay nung trinay ko sa ating OVD scanner is lumabas ang P0131 which is the oxygen sensor. Bank 1 sensor 1, yung upstream po. So nakaraan hindi ko na na-vlog. I changed the oxygen sensor. It's sad to say umilaw pa rin po at yung pa rin yung bank 1 sensor 1 pa rin. I try to erase in the OBD scanner. It's still the same. Bumabalik siyang within 30 seconds. So i-check po natin lahat and then ang hinala ko kasi nagra-wrap idle din siya. Chinek ko na rin yung fuel filter, it's still okay. And I check also, I double check the oxygen sensor is okay. And also the old one, I check it, yung ohms niya, more than 7 ohms. At saka yung volts niya, tinignan ko rin, chinek ko rin. Umaabot naman siya ng 0.1 to 0.9 volts. So meaning to say, walang problema yung oxygen sensor. So, tatry ko pong buksan yung bulb. I'll try to check first the bulb setting niya kung okay. Baka mamaya singaw lang yung barbula. Tara po. Tanggalin natin yung battery. Natanggal na yung negative sign ng battery and then we're gonna remove this cover. So first this one, the flat screw. Lumabas na siya. So, malinis pa naman ang kanya guys. And then, tatanggalin din natin tong cover na to sa camshaft. So, dyan natin ano guys. Yan yung crankshaft niya, yung sigunyal bolt. So, dyan tayo mag-a-adjust para matap dead center natin yung camshaft. TDC. Tanggalin mo yung mga spark plug tapos sundutan mo yung hindi lang masyadong matalim, yung hindi rin malalaglag ng stick or something na makakapa mo yung piston. Pag nasa taas na yung piston, yun yung TDC nya. So medyo hindi maganda ang sunog na guys. What's up dudes? Padudukot nyo na naman yung ano. So that's it guys. So we just make some improvise because I don't have the long screw. So try this one to check if the piston is in the TDC position. So this one, ito yung ating chinek guys na valve clearance which is okay na. So we are going to the next valve adjustment here in yan. Alright, so we are in the number 3 position guys. So, masyadong tukod. Ang valve cover. Okay. So, pusin natin. Alright. So, nawala siya kasi tinanggal natin yung battery. So, kailangan natin panda rin guys. Alright. So, yan. Mag-timer tayo. So, let's put a timer. Start. Tignan natin kung magbabago siya guys. So, ang temperature ngayon dito is 27 yan. Mainit. Kaya sinasamantala natin. Tapos, bang inaantay natin kung magkaano siya, mag-check engine. Try natin saksakin ang ating scanner guys. Dito, tala dito. Okay. Nandar na. So, tingnan natin. So, read codes tayo guys. Tingnan natin. So, no codes daw guys. So, no codes are restored. So, tingnan natin sa ating live data kung okay na yung ating OBD ay yung ating oxygen sensor. So, yung fuel system natin, closed loop. Load PCT 31.4. I think it's okay. So, wala, ano ulit guys, mag open loop ulit. So, wala, umilaw pa rin yung check engine guys. So, we have to find another way.